everyone, James and Mark here. We are a few weeks away from Thanksgiving, and this year, just to mix things up, one of our friends told us about dropping off a turkey at a Vietnamese barbecue spot, and they actually roast the turkey for you. So think of it as like, you know, when you get that bright red duck at like a Chinese restaurant and there's that dipping sauce. That's what we're doing, but with turkey. We are gonna pick up a turkey and we're gonna drop it off at the spot, and we'll see how it turns out. I see some turkeys here. I see more butterball over here. Fully cooked ones. Interesting.
Does that look like?
Yeah, let's try to get one that's like under 15 pounds. Is there a way of knowing? Does it tell you the weight?
This one is
14.18.
What do we need?
Under 15.
Oh, okay.
Is there a smaller one though?
Girl, do you want me to?
Get your workout in, mama.
Kettlebell.
Okay, no, do not do that.
Where's your workout?
Well, let me see these turkeys. I mean, they're probably the same. These are even large young turkey. Oh, these are signature brand. Oh, these look just as big. Oh, maybe these ones would be better, huh? I'm eyeing this one. This one's 11.67.
You caught dinner.
We used to, oh, even smaller ones here too, but I think we're good with 11.
These are turkeys?
Oh, they're called Little Butterball.
Oh.
Yeah, these are also turkeys. Oh yeah, like there's 7, maybe this one's 7 pounds. Let's just do this one. This one's fine? Okay. It says turkey, right? Make sure we don't grab something else and don't realize it.
Like a peasant or turkey.
Peasant, not a peasant.
Oh, girl.
It's on the tag. There you go. How much are turkeys this year?
How many store provided?
This one's $1.99 a pound. Not... All right, let's go. Yeah.
James and Mark.
James and Mark. Yeah.
Oh, we got a new subscriber.
Not in the parking lot. All right, so we just picked up our turkey and we are headed over to Lien Hoa BBQ. They actually have a couple of different spots here in Orange County. Growing up, this is a spot that my dad would always go to pick up Peking duck. They have like, what's that? That sesame chicken and also roasted pork. So yeah, our friends told us about this, and for turkeys, when you drop them off, they have 2 set prices. If your turkey's less than 15 pounds, it'll cost you $30. And then if it's greater than 15 pounds, it costs $35. And you gotta pad a few days. If you bring in your turkey frozen, you gotta wait, I think 3 to 4 days, they said over the phone. And then if it's like a fresh turkey, it's already defrosted and all that, it only takes like 1 or 2 days. But always call ahead. I had a little bit of language barriers at one of the spots, so we're dropping it off at the one where I was able to speak with someone there, just in case. So we're dropping off our turkey. They're just taking down our information, and I guess once it's ready, we can go pick it up. I think we're going to be picking it up on the 9th. Today is Saturday, the 5th. So 4 more days. All right, it's been 4 days since we dropped off our turkey, and we are going to pick it up. I was gonna say him or her, but I was like, I don't know.
Pick her up.
Anyways, so we're gonna do that, and then also nearby, we are gonna be picking up a couple of sides for tonight's dinner. We ended up ordering some lo mein, which are noodles, and stir-fried green beans. So we're gonna have that with our Peking turkey.
We need the golden ticket.
Oh, it's a golden ticket. That's cute.
We finally got here.
We actually have no idea if it's going to be a whole, if it's going to be kept whole, or if they cut it for us. So we shall see. Can we actually order a thing of sauce? Yeah, just one. Yeah,
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's beautiful.
We got the first turkey of the season here.
Oh really?
Yeah, how exciting. All right, we just got our turkey and now we are picking up. Ooh, dang karaoke.
Yeah, competition. Someone else wants to outperform you.
So we're gonna go pick up the lo mein and the green beans. This place is also, you guys have seen this video. We ate here once for dim sum. The most agonizing part is the ride home until we get to eat all this food.
The car already kind of smells like Peking.
Should we eat the Peking turkey in the car?
Car bomb.
Right, we just got home and I actually haven't seen the turkey yet, so let's do a little reveal. Get this nice and snug. Oh my gosh. Not as red as I thought it would be.
But the skin looks awesome, huh?
Yeah, it looks really good. Oh my god, it smells exactly like what it smelled like back at the butcher shop there. All right, we are ready to carve our turkey. Mark got the black gloves. And let's get this show on the road.
Oh.
There we
Well,
go.
actually, no. It is this way.
Oh,
It just looks different.
did they carve that for us?
No, it's
No,
well,
that's just how. Oh, okay.
Oh, so this is the breast.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, what's your plan of attack, Mark?
I don't know. So, gosh, because this is Peking style.
Yeah.
It like shrinks in some places and is not shrinked in other places, so it doesn't look like how it's baked in the oven.
Right.
Right, but yeah. Oh, it is crispy. So I need to find where the joint is.
Oh, there you go. Oh my god, that piece has my name all over it. What? All right, seems easy enough. You got the
my
big
God.
pieces out.
The
How
leg
about the
is good.
wings?
Yeah, and then we need a. You know what? It's so tender inside that I
Yeah.
don't even need the knife to remove the
Right.
the wings and the legs.
Probably the easiest carving I've ever seen.
Okay, so I have the limbs here. I have to do like what the guys at the Lien Hoa does. Get a cleaver knife.
Oh,
and
they
just
need the
kinda cut
cleaver,
through
yeah.
it, yeah.
Lien Hoa, are you hiring?
I know.
That looks
Okay.
beautiful. Now, Heidi's sleeping, but we have a little bit of turkey for him. He loves turkey. Heidi, you want turkey? You want turkey? Oh my goodness, yes. Ooh, how is that? Was that, are you gonna go back to sleep now? Heidi says it's delicious. All right, while Mark continues to get our turkey carved, I'm gonna set out some of the sides. So let's grab some bowls first. Oh, these ones, right?
Yeah.
So up top here, this is, let's see, what is this? Oh, the green beans. Doesn't that look good? Oh, bless you, hairdo. Oh, yeah. All right, we got our green beans off to the side. Let's look at our lo mein. Ooh, heftier feeling. Oh, and we got beef lo mein. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. All right, we have our like really early Thanksgiving feast prepared, but I'm super excited and I just want to dive right into this duck.
Oh, because we've been smelling it all the way home, and now I'm hungry.
What did I say wrong earlier?
What? Oh, you said duck. I didn't even catch you.
I can't help myself. It just reminds me of duck.
Smells like
Wait,
duck.
this is turkey, okay? All right, I'm just gonna get savage and go for this. Is that okay?
Ooh, yeah.
Like I'm ruining your presentation.
No, it's totally fine. Here's
Okay.
a good piece of meat here, and then the skin. I heard for Peking duck is all about the skin.
It's all about the skin.
All
About
the
that skin. About that skin.
And that's
All right.
where all the flavor is.
All right, I'm going in for it. Oh, I see this really nice piece of skin here that I'm gonna go for.
I'll start with the breast.
It feels like I'm at Disneyland in Asia, and instead of the regular turkey legs that we have here, this is how they would prepare. It's so good. Mmm. That soft? My goodness.
So the breast is good, but like with any turkey, the breast meat is
Dry?
dry. But it's okay.
Open
But
wide.
in terms of the flavor is really good. But I don't think any preparation of cooking you could actually really achieve tender, super moist breast meat. Is always the least favorite. But if you are a white meat eater, no judgment.
The perks of this is, you saw it come in that tray earlier. Our house isn't like 20 degrees hotter from turning on the oven. Cleanup is going to be really easy. Like, this is very convenient if you don't want to deal with the hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle? Bustle
No,
and hustle?
what's that? Huss and fuss? Huss and fuss? Is that a word? Is that an idiom? You don't want to deal with it. This is a good alternative, right?
String beans good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we should just do Asian Thanksgiving for Thanksgiving.
I mean, we are Asian. I did tell our family, if this ends up being good, we'll just order, instead of us, you know, having to worry about the turkey Thanksgiving morning. Thanksgiving Day rolls around, even if you're the most organized person in the world, something always happens. Last year, wasn't there a power outage?
Oh yeah.
Or 2 years ago?
Yeah.
One of the years there was a power outage. I was like, ooh.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try a little bit of this white meat, but I'm gonna just go right in here. I definitely recommend this, especially like Mark said, if it's a little dry, this will juice it up right away.
Juice it up, and then also smaller bites of the white meat.
Oh my god. This is what I used to eat. Like, this was my favorite part of duck growing up, was the sauce. And with a little bit of rice. Very, very good. You did such a beautiful job. I'm actually excited to go to South Africa to see wild animals eat in their natural habitat, but I'm like, you already live with me. You just fed me dinner like that.
I know, so let's cancel our South Africa trip.
I'm not gonna cancel it. All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Check out our description down below if you're interested in getting your turkey or holiday meat done in this style, and we'll see you for the next video.
Happy early Thanksgiving!
Bye.